Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is another Christmas knot for you. This is the Scrooge knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're going to come over. We're going to put in a fold here. Actually, I'm just going to do a dimple. Bring it over to the center. Going to come around. Come up and over like this. And do that once more. And then do that once more. But bring it over more this way. We're going to come up and over here like this. We're going to leave it folded in half. Bring it all the way down like this. Then we're going to come, bring it around like that, across the bottom of this. Come over, then we're going to fold this in half, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it through this. Let's just leave it like that, and in the process of doing that, it kind of folded the bottom of this. Let's just leave it like that. If it doesn't do that for you, it's fine, but more than likely it will. Then I'll come back over here, then I'll bring it up like that. Let's put the collar down. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials, and if you tie knots yourself, tag me in a photo on there, and I'll wear it and give you credit for it. And here we have this. So there's the Scrooge knot. Again, on your side, my friends, your fearful one if you made. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and God bless.